What's going on, guys? This is Tanner here from Ted's in Alton, Illinois. Guys, we just got in our first anniversary bike, the 120, the 120th year of the greatest motorcycle company out there, Harley-Davidson. We got in the Fat Boy, which is the iconic version, Softail Fat Boy. Everybody's had them, everybody loves them. The color this year, look at it. Heirloom Red Fade is the color for the 120 anniversary. They put details all over on this bike. From a new tank emblem with a gold eagle on it, carried the color down here on the 114 Milwaukee Eight. They carried the color here on a seat. Detail on this bike is amazing. Guys, we've got this one in. We've got a few more coming in of the anniversary collection this year, the 120th year. Please give us a call, reach out, do what you can to get one of these bikes while they're available. Thank you, guys. Be safe out there.